Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a delicious South Indian style chicken soup. So first let's see the ingredients. I've taken about 1 handful of coriander seeds, about 1 tablespoon of peppercorn seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and some fennel seeds. We also need about 3 large tomatoes, about 10 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger, 10 shallots or small onions and a few curry leaves. I've taken about 1 kg of country chicken, which is well cleaned with salt and turmeric. Now first let's grind the spices. I have 1 handful of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn seeds, about 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds. We'll use the fennel later. First grind it into a coarse powder and keep it aside. Let's start adding the other ingredients. Let's add about 10 garlic cloves, about 6 to 7 shallots or small onions, about 2-inch size of ginger which is chopped, and also a few curry leaves. Now let's grind it into a coarse paste. You can also add a little water if you want. Now take a pressure cooker. Let's add the chicken into the pressure cooker. Today we are using a country chicken. Now let's add the ground masala. Let's add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and also add sufficient salt. Today I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of salt. Let's add about 1.5 liters of water. Check the seasoning and add about 3 large tomatoes. Mash these tomatoes well in the water. This is the best way to extract the taste from the tomatoes. So let's close the lid and let it cook for about 5 whistles and keep it aside. Now let's make an aromatic powder for the soup. I've taken 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn seeds, some cumin and some fennel seeds. Now let's dry roast these ingredients. So we have about 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Dry roast all the ingredients till they are nice and crisp and make it into a fine powder. Now let's transfer it into a mixer jar and make it into a fine powder and add it to the soup. So let's stir fry these ingredients. These are the final ingredients. So take a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, let's add 3 pieces of cinnamon, about 6 pieces of cardamom and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and stir fry them. This helps to garnish and give a nice flavor to the soup. Now let's add about 10 shallots which is finely chopped and a few curry leaves and stir fry. Let's transfer it to the soup and mix all the ingredients together. When the soup comes to a boil, garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. This is a very flavorful and healthy soup. It's packed full of spices and it is really very tasty. Do try this delicious soup. If you like the recipe, like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.